As a real estate professional, you know the importance of building a robust online presence to attract and engage potential clients. Did you know there was a way on your website to help you capture leads, nurture potential clients, and grow your business? Yeah, let's go talk about that. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer. And yes, we are going to capture those leads with forced registration on the people that are visiting your website. I'm going to show you how to turn that on today. So, you know the drill. Go to agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com, and log in. We're going to be working in the consumer icon today, or applet, the consumer applet. And if you've updated your website, it should look like this. So if your section of the consumer applet does not look like this, make sure you go to my previous week's video and upgrade your website. So when you get here, I just want you to scroll down to the forced registration section. Should look a little bit like this. And your website is going to default to unrestricted. That means visitors will be able to view as many properties as they want on your website, never have to log in or create an account. Any other option that you choose, when people go to your website, they will have to log in and they will have to create an account if they don't have a login. So you want to make sure that you're going to pick 10, 2, or 0. This no property viewing is 0 properties on your website. So make sure you pick one of those 3 options and then click Save Changes. This is going to force registration on your site. And let me show you what I am talking about. This is my actual website. It's brenbrewer.kw.com. I clicked on this first listing, which popped me over to this page. And then it says you have access to one more listing. Sign up to view unlimited properties and connect with an agent. I'm not too keen on these properties. So let me go look at another property. So let's just click on one. Okay, it says you have access to 0 more listings. Sign up to view unlimited properties and connect with an agent. Okay, let's see what happens when I go click on another property. Okay, so I'm trying to see this property. It says get connected and never miss another property. Create your free account today. So they can log in or sign up with this button here, and it's going to say don't have an account. Well, they'll have to click on sign up, and then they can put in their name and email address and create an account right here on your website to get access to properties. What happens when that happens is their information is going to go straight into your command, and you will get an email notification as well as a notification in your bell icon inside of command. And then you will know who's been on your website, and you'll know what they're looking for and what properties they are looking at. And then you can reach out accordingly. Now, how do you get these people to your website? One of my favorite ways to do that is to post about open houses on my website. So let's go do a property search, and I'm just going to do Cypress, Texas. All right, so we have for sale here. You have all of your options. You have prices, you have beds and baths, and you have property type. On the right here, you have some filters. And what I like to do is come through here and put in active and coming soon only. And then I also like to do open houses that I can turn on, or priced reduced within the last 7 days. So those are the ones that I like to do. It looks like there's no results for the last 7 days, but if it was 86 results for open houses. So I'm going to click on show 86 results. I have these 86 results here. I'm just going to copy this search and I'm going to go post that on Facebook and say, check out these upcoming open houses. Who wants me to show them a house this weekend? And I would do the same thing if I had price reductions. I would do that as well. Check out these houses that have had price reductions in the last 7 days. They are ready to sell and I'm ready to help you make an offer. I would go post that to my Facebook page with the link to my website and get people to my website and into my command, all without me doing not much of anything. And that's it. Hope you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below how many leads you're getting from your website. I can't wait to see how many you're getting, and I'll see you next week.